Dharavath sir is an experienced skill development professional with a strong background in non-profit sector, with expertise in leadership, project management, team building, and strategic planning. He has played a key role in empowering individuals through skill development initiatives. So, guys, please join me in warmly welcoming our speaker, Dharavath sir, to share his valuable insights with us today. Dharavath sir, you may continue. Just
Hi, good evening, all of you. Uh,
good evening.
I just thank you for introduction,
Thank you, sir.
and so I'll come back again for. So I'm Lalu Dharavath. I'm from Electronic Sector Skill Council. I'm working as a regional head for understanding industry's requirement and whereas the opportunities are there. And so just we are Electronic Sector Skill Council. We are the bridge generally for between the industry and academia. So I'll just give you a small brief about ESSCI, what we are actually. So give me a moment, I'll just present. So I think it's visible.
Yes, sir, it's visible.
Yeah. So so everybody knows for government of India's and all the state governments are trying to get them for skilled our students to get them for employment in different industries. So in that scope, we are created under Government of India in the flagship of skill development. So Electronic Sector Skill Council of India, you may be aware about. So we are a non-profit organization and working under the aegis of Ministry of Skill Development and Entrepreneurship and the Ministry of Information Technology, Electronics and Information Technology, and it is to supported by National Skill Development Corporation, and we are the awarding body under National Council for Vocational Education and Training. So we formed in around 2012. It's around 14 years we are working into skill development domain. So as of now, we trained around 2.8 million candidates into different courses and different modules. So basically, we are also it's called for we are into a non-profit organization and we are into promoted by industry associations. So all the electronics industry associations are there. The six major industry association is promoted by ESSCI apart from the government of India. So as we are recognized as NCVET body, so we do the standardization to create qualification packs and understand the basically what we are doing. I'll just give you a brief here. So as Electronic Sector Skill Council, it is to the front face of the industry. So we do a lot of work from the industry and academia. So where is the gaps? There is the gaps between the industry and academia. So we understand any of industry will comes into forward with a new technology. We are into front phase and we understand their technology. So based on their technology, we will be create one curriculum. Yeah, it's like qualification packs. So where is the gap between the academia and industry? So that curriculum it will be vetted again by the industries and that industry it will becomes again to for ESSCI to validate with the national NCVET. So this once it will be validated, it will be goes as a national curriculum and it will be works for a STT model, SATM training model because we are already into a 3 years degree, 4 years degree, 2 years ITI or 3 years diploma courses we have completed and we do so the bridge the between where is the gaps are there for industry immediate requirement as well as our aspirants where they are lack of the skills. So our vision is there. We need to create robust ecosystem, creating for future-ready workforce in the electronic system design and manufacturing. And our mission is to be with the industry strengthening. So we do for skill development ecosystems through the e-skilling R&D and innovation and adoption of the state-of-art technologies. So as I mentioned, we are into awarding body under NCVET, and these six industry association, LCNA, Alcoma, and IESA, Indian Electronics and Semiconductor Association, and the Manufacturers Association of Information Technology, Consumer Electronics Association, and we are into four IPCS, Circuit Indian Printed Circuit Association. So these six industries are majorly promoted for our council, because we are the key role for the understand the industry's requirement to develop some SATM training programs to bridge the gap between the industry and academia. So they are the so we have the governing board. So those all governing board councils are from the industry players. So our governing board from the complete, we have 11 candidates are there. So Vinod sir is our chairman, and he is from the Deki Electronics. So he's currently chairman, and I'll just update you in that Electronic Sector Skill Council of India. It's uh, created under the leadership of Ajay Chaudhary ji, was one of the co-founder of HCL Technologies. So all the directors in that governing board, all are from the industry experts, CEOs, top level managements we have. So basically, everybody says about the electronics. Is there a triple E or EC or somewhere into for other qualifications also in electronics? So electronics, actually we are divided into nine subsectors. So everywhere it's electronics is there. In automotive we have electronics, telecom we have electronics, in IT products also we have in electronics. The electronics gadgets, it's everywhere is there. So we have divided in this electronic subsector, electronics into nine subsectors. So we created one subsector is consumer electronics and IT hardware, and another one is for e-mobility and battery, and the electronics again for solar and LED. So we are into for communication and broadcasting, and it's now everybody was thinking and everybody was talking about for semiconductor. So we are into for ICA, Indian Semiconductor Association. We are the skilling body for ISA, Indian Semiconductor Association, the major booming sector as of right now in India. And industry automations, the industry 4.0, we are working with them. And we divided another subsector was security and surveillances. And we divided into for electronics manufacturing and services, and we are into for PCB design and manufacturing. So as electronics, it's not only for electronics, it's a big. Then we divided into nine subsectors. So as mentioned for earlier topic, so we are into for nine subsector. We are working for into skill domain. So as of now, we trained around for government initiatives or CSR initiatives or paid trainings and faculty development training. We trained around 2.8 million candidates we trained, and we have around 200 plus subject matter experts from the industries who are currently working with ESSCI. And we have around like it's called for into college level, it's a examiner. We have 4,000 plus certified assessors in Pan India, and we have 7,500 plus certified trainers who will be trained for our courses as per the industry's requirement. As of now, we created around 100 plus qualifications. To train those all qualifications, we have around 9,000 plus training centers into Pan India. So, and we are into a giant advisory board member for apprenticeship, promotion of the apprenticeship for optional courses. So around we are registered around 3 lakhs plus apprenticeships into NAPS portal. So in the electronics, is all nine subsectors, we have 4,000 plus industry partners from the MSMEs to for top industries. So this is to for currently we are working an achievement. We are working keep to moving on. So and I'll just come back just a small brief view. So you everybody is discussing today is for National Education Policy 2020 alignment. So we are already working for National Education Policy 2020. To we are already alignment for our qualification into for regular degrees. So recently we signed MOU with Andhra Pradesh government. We signed MOU with Telangana government. So introduced for ADP program. So under NEP. So everybody was having for degree colleges as of now, BA, BCom, BSc, BJC. So regular degrees are there. Now government was planned under NEP. It's for technical programs for general degree colleges. So like in general degree colleges, now it's implemented by semiconductor programs. It's implemented by digital electronics, implemented by IT infrastructures, implementing in mechatronics. It's a 3 years degree program. Out of 3 years, the 2 years into classroom training and 1 year is for apprenticeship with the industries. So who completed for 1 year apprenticeship training in those 3 years program? So those candidates will get the for degree, and candidates will be adapted for live projects and working model into industry. So we are currently working for NEP 2020 also, and in couple of days we are going to announce in the presence of CM of Telangana. So it's going to sign the MOU. So why ESSCI and what we have done? So we, which as I mentioned, the Electronic Sector Skill Council of India, we designed the curriculum where the industry is required, and we those curriculums it will be comes to for program delivery. So we have delivery training partners like Gnanidhi. So Gnanidhi, one of our affiliated training partner, so who can be take those kind of 100 qualification, it will be implemented in training. And we have the industry expertises for like industry interface. So we have 200 plus in subject matter experts, so who can be train our trainers as per the industry's requirement. And we have 4000 plus industries to for conduct on the job trainings or internships or apprenticeship. And we will be have a committee for national occupational standard, so for by with the experts of the industries where we are working for industry. And we do some career guidance program, and we conduct for faculty development programs for industry as well as academia level. So coming to after training, we will be do for as we are apex body under NCVET. So we conduct assessment and will be issue the certification by NCVET recognized certification. So after those training, we will be support them for we have a dedicated job portal. So where the opportunities are registered. So those opportunities will be registered into industry will be registered their opportunities. Candidate will be registered and they can be applied. We have a dedicated placement portal. So if it is required, I will be show you also. And we creating some labs like into for academic level like Center of Excellence labs, and we are creating for AR/VR labs also. So we are currently working with industries and our affiliated partners to creating center of excellence and some incubation centers. And we have a common utility center in Rajasthan. It's owned by ESSCI. It's around 3 acres. So I'll just show you major concern is where is the opportunities. I was seeing some messages into the ground. So candidates aware about from the how many industries are there in AP and Telangana. It's relevant to electronics. It's a relevant to electrical or electronics. I'll just give you some industries where we have industries in AP and Telangana. Some of the major industries I mentioned, whereas the opportunities are available. So we have a number of industries in AP and Telangana. The problem is we don't have the access to connect with the industry's requirement. So those requirement we are currently working with industries, and we are affiliated with Gnanidhi to do those kind of training programs and share their profiles with the industries. So in Andhra and Telangana, so most of the industries are there in Telangana and some are into for Andhra Pradesh. So everybody aware about Amar Raja was comes into Mahabub Nagar. We have the industry. The Neolink is there, and the Orient Electric we have in Hyderabad. The Resolute we have in Hyderabad. Bhagwati we have into Hyderabad. The Sign DLM also we have into Hyderabad, and embedded IT solutions we have into Hyderabad. So TCL and Foxcons both are from AP, and Radiant it is again comes to for Hyderabad. Schneider Electric we have into Hyderabad. Daikin is into Andhra Pradesh. ACT is again from Telangana. Blue Star again goes to for Andhra Pradesh. The Premier Energies is a solar panel manufacturing industry. It is into again for Telangana. We have Dixon in Andhra Pradesh. We have Renews in Telangana, and Gen Technologies in Andhra. Every industries you so named so many big industries are there. They are into from the Hyderabad. So, but there is a gap between for industry and the skilled person. So what we are doing, we have created multiple qualification paths as per the industry's requirement, which is vetted by industry. Those candidates trained under these qualifications. So we will be support them for getting the placements. So we are currently working with them, and we have created multiple center of excellence. We have a center of excellence in Hyderabad, in NSIC campus. We have center of excellence in Mahabub Nagar with the Amar Raja. So those multiple center of excellence we are creating to bridging this gap where the candidates are availability is there and they don't have a skills. So we train them through our affiliated training partner or directly by ESSCI and get them opportunity for as apprenticeship or internship. And the most candidates are looks when they completed their degree, it's a BTech or diploma, they wanted for higher package. For into manufacturing sector, we need to start from the bottom level as requirement was there, and we need to gain knowledge. Then we will be upgraded our knowledge as per the requirement, and we will move on for the same industry moreover, or we can be keep on for the opportunities. So basically, every industry is provide as per the common norms are there. Labor government of Telangana's norms or any other governments also. So we need to join initially, and we need to understand what is the role are they, and how to work, and how to learn, and how to grow my career. But most of the people's doing for the day one they wanted to get for moreover packages or moreover salaries which will need to increase. So they will be think for first year of the BTech completion of the BTech, they wanted to get for 30 or 40,000 or 50,000, and they will be waste their 1 year of the duration. So after 1 year, they will be think again comes the same industry and ask again if you can give me 30,000. The industry will says if you are joined last year, so now you will be get 30,000. He was wasted for 1 year, and he is thinking again go back for a home, and again comes and join to for another year. So after 1 2 years, industries definitely they will be point out why it is the gaps are between there for after academy and interview time. So I request all of the participants, if you have an opportunity, it's a smaller or bigger. If you don't getting for bigger opportunities, then you can join immediately where you have get the smaller opportunity also. It will be guide you, and it will be a spot of the learning, and you will be have the one industry connect. And initially you need to attend the interview. How to attend the interview? You have the capability to clear their interviews or not. So you will be have some knowledge. So I request for all of the participants. So don't lose for your opportunities, and don't be wait. If you have a big goal, then you can go ahead, and you wanted to look for in private employment, then you may move out for take forward to take a opportunity. It is there coming by Amar Raja or Orient Electric or whatever it is. So some we under for creating this industries requirement, we are working with for major industries for creating skill development programs. We are currently working with HCL, Premier, JSW, IBM, Karur Vysya Bank, Capgemini, Ambuja Cements, all those industries. So working under their CSR to skill our youth for getting for employment. So we are one side we are pushing for government of India, pushing for state governments, and industries also spending for their CSR funds to skill development. So, but the industries are still getting very gap between the industry and skilled person, and the candidates are they don't aware again for industries and required skills. So you may take with the training by Gnanidhi or affiliated partner of ESSCI, and you may approach for Gnanidhi to connect for those industries where you will be get the opportunities. So some of our training centers, I'll just show you. So here it is to for Amar Raja Skill Development Center. It is to we are created in Mahbub Nagar. So it is to for completely Amar Raja. They have a big setup. Is there in Mahbub Nagar. Recently they come forward to Telangana and set up their industry. So with the industry, they wanted to train surrounding areas unemployed candidates to get them for employment in private industries. So here we targeted 360 candidates, and Amar Raja was spending around 1.4 crore to get them trained, assess, and get them for place. So as of now, we have connected for 180 candidates, and we get 98% of the placement. And we are planning to start for third batches in Mahabub Nagar. So who are interested for we are working for electrician, we are working for electric vehicle service technician and HVAC technicians. Those are into for blue collar, but it's a regular employment. So some of the glimpses are there where we are currently placement rates, which is I mentioned there. So out of 3 job roles, we are into for multiple. They get multiple opportunities in Hyderabad, Mahbub Nagar, and Jadcherla cluster also. The some of the glimpse which is I mentioned. This is the candidates are change their lives. So previously they don't have any knowledge, and they are into from the Mahbub Nagar surrounding area, and some candidates are take training into Amar Raja Skill Development Center, whereas we are handling it. So initially they don't have, they have a 10th standard, but he is interested to work in for electrician. So where he is trained in Amar Raja and he is get employment in fixed technology Hyderabad. Initially he is initially he is earning for 15,000 rupees, and after a 1 year or 2 year it will be doubled, or he will be start his own business. The Mr. Siddhartha Reddy, he was very much interested for to work in for automotive field. So he trained into electric vehicle service technician, and he is currently working in TVS Motors, and under TVS he is currently working with Susil TVS in Hyderabad, TVS in Hyderabad. So again for Mr. Chakri, so who's dropped out, and he's in a semi-urban guy, and he don't have a facility to where he can to train, and he much very much interested for AC. So every home now have the AC, and there is a huge demand for AC technicians. He trained up and he joined one of the company into Hyderabad as technician, and he is earning around 25 to 30,000 as of now. So we have some glimpse are there where they are working after, before how they are, and after how they are working. So most of the candidates trained and they will be get placed. So this is what we are working. And as of now, we trained around 2.8 million candidates. It's a different programs. So my request is all the participant can be get more train up. You can be take more training programs, and you just diploma candidates are there. You just think about which industry you want to go. You want to go for manufacturing, you want to go for service industry, you want to go for marketing side. The most of the industries hires for the diploma candidates, and after diploma they wanted to do for BTech, but industries is thinking for diploma level. The BTech, it will be have the opportunities. So if he has a good knowledge, and he will be ready to work for any level. So industries think BTechs are the engineering level, then they will be higher is maximum is 20, 10 to 20 percentage, and they will be higher ITI and diploma. It's a 70 to 80 percentage of the their total manpower. So we are also focusing onto the ITA and diploma, and as well as BTech also. So we are into for currently working for major role. Uh, so we are into part of the government, and we are promoting for uh, Pradhan Mantri's ambition is Skill India. So we need to get Skill India to do for no person can be have without knowledge. So we are already working on it. As Electronic Sector Skill Council, we are promoting for multiple programs. We are creating multiple qualification packs as per the industry's requirement. And you are aware about Foxconn we have in Hyderabad. Keynes, I think it's a missed out, but Keynes Semiconductor, it was introduced in Hyderabad. It is gone again for Gujarat, but it will becomes again for semiconductor. There is a huge boom was there for BTech candidates into semiconductor. It is into VLSI design, chip manufacturing. So we have a great opportunities. Accordingly, we working together with Nannidhi, so can train those candidates as per the industry's requirement, can adapt it for national curriculum, which is we designed and approved by Government of India. And the candidates will be get the NCVT certification. Those certification is valid by the, it's not pan India level, it's for worldwide. So those who are training under different programs, so they will be get the private certification. But when it will be trained by ESSCI or affiliated training partners, they will be get by NCVT certification. So we have a big opportunities in electronics, which is mentioned by speakers. So we have big opportunities. Electronics is not only for into one segment. Electronics is everywhere. So without electronics, no electrical, no mechanical, or no IT also. So we are into electronics and IT hardware. So we do multiple programs. We do multiple trainings. We will support them to get them employment. So as of now, we have huge number of opportunities. So any of candidates are interested for into those programs, you may visit our website, Electronic Sector Skill Council of India. You can understand why, where we are working and how we are working. And you can also visit our Center of Excellence in NSIC. It is there in Kushaiguda, Radhika Theatre, opposite to Kushaiguda. So you can also visit there, and some people can visit also Mahbub Nagar Center. And I was announcing from the couple of days we are going to start one center of excellence in Vijayawada. It is to for AI training. Under HCL, we are going to start program for AI VLSI design. Again, there for it is to for targeted for semiconductor industry. So might be interested candidates go through the our website. If you have any concerns or any guidance or where is the opportunities are there, you can connect with Gnanidhi. Gnanidhi will be definitely share their requirements to us. I will be help you to get them for industry connect. Thank you.
Yeah, sir. Thank you. Thank you so much. I think it's really helpful our students
Mhm.
about your expertise. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Okay.